An architectural model is a type of scale model, a physical representation of a structure, built to study aspects of an architectural design or to communicate design ideas. Depending on the purpose, models can be made from a variety of materials, including blocks, paper, and wood, and at a variety of scales. Architectural models have been in use since prehistory. The oldest models were found in Malta, such as at Arxian temples, and are now at the Archaeology Museum in Valletta. Ad hoc models, or sketch models, are sometimes made to study the interaction of volumes, different viewpoints, or concepts during the design process. They may also be useful in explaining a complicated or unusual design to builders, or as a focus for discussion between designers and consultants such as architects, engineers, and town planners. Presentation models can be used to exhibit, visualize or sell a final design. The model are also used as showpieces, for instance as a feature in the reception of a building, or as part of a museum exhibition such as scale replicas of historical buildings. Exterior models are models of buildings which usually include some landscaping or civic spaces around the building. Interior models are models showing interior space planning, finishes, colors, furniture and beautification. Rough study models can be made quickly using cardboard, wooden blocks, polystyrene, foam boards, and other materials. Such models are an efficient design tool for three-dimensional understanding of a structure, space, or form, used by architects, interior designers and exhibit designers. Urban models are models typically built at a much smaller scale, starting from 1 to 500 and less, 1 to 700, 1 to 1000, 1 to 1200, 1 to 2000, 1 to 20000, representing several city blocks, even a whole town or village, large resort, campus, industrial facility, military base, and so on. Urban models are a vital tool for town city planning and development.